buried deep beneath the ash. Flame tip wisdom, watch the moments flash. Heartbreak whispers in the smoky swirl. Kush confessions to this lonely world. Kush therapy, my only remedy. When I'm smoked out, I find serenity. Blazed and faded, troubles drift away. In this Kush oasis, I'm here to stay. Blunt ashes blowing in the midnight sky. Kush smoke breeze while the world passes by. My mind stays medicated, I stay high. Greened out, smoked out, I don't ask why. Cannabis bliss, my soul's on retreat. Kush vision clear, I don't taste defeat. Stone to the bone, no pain remains. Sweet leaf harmony eases my chain. Through the fog, I find my way back home. Blazing solitude, never alone. Midnight talks beneath the crescent moon. Kush whispers soft like a distant tune. Kush therapy, my only remedy. When I'm smoked out, I find serenity. Blazed and faded, troubles drift away.